everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. And look at what I've got. I've actually got 2 of them, and I also have some bracelets. So if you see something that you like and you want to purchase, please send me a screenshot, make me an offer. If you don't like making offers, then I will give you a price. And most of the time I do accept the offers. Once in a while I do counters. So let's lower the camera and let's see what we have today. And let's see, let's show, we have some hematite. And look at this one. We have an owl. Now I like when there's hematite, I like when they actually put a pendant or something else with it. Even stone with it, I like. Okay, I'm gonna kind of rotate from the bag to the bracelets I have on the side. Gorgeous. Aurora Borealis has a fold over clasp. Look at those crystals. They are beautiful. And we have this one, it still has a tag. It says Christina Collection. Has a star and it is a clamper. In beautiful condition. I don't see any missing stones. Okay, let's kind of dig in this bag. It's packed tight, I can tell you that. This is all gemstone. Wow, this is pretty. Pretty long. And you know, at the end, I show you my favorites. And we have some amethyst, yes. Let's see here. There we go. That's pretty. Beautiful amethyst. And, oh, what is this? This is gemstone jasper and tiger's eye. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Beautiful piece. And I don't have to put this up to my face. It is cold. Excuse me. Has a toggle clasp. Very, very nice. Oh, we have some more hematite. I have had this one before. This is a really nice one. And what I like about this particular one, the chain is longer, or the hematite chain, I should say. It is longer. Very, very nice. There is a lot of jewelry here. And Millefiori beads. Ooh. Look at those beads. And let's see, how many of those? I see 1, 2. And they have some little ones too. The larger ones, I only see, no, look at that one. There's that. Oh, this is nice. Very, very pretty. Try not to make you dizzy. Ooh. There's some nice pieces. I did open the statement necklaces, I have to tell you that. Kiwi stone and calcite. I probably slaughtered that word. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. That's lovely. Another one that's just absolutely ice cold. I don't have to put it up to my face. Lovely statement necklace. This is lapis and halite. That's nice. Needs a little cleaning, but that's never a problem. Oh, wow. Magnesite, dyed magnesite. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I actually have put aside, and I'm not going to with this necklace, but I have put aside some pieces like this for jewelry art. They work out so nice. Very nice. Okay. What do we have here? This is vintage. Ooh, this is different. Look at that. That is nice. I like it. Okay, let's show a couple of bracelets too. Here is a clamper. Very nice. It's another clamper. And let's see here, what do we have? This is New York. I think this is acrylic, but it's pretty. I like the fall colors. Very nice. Very, very nice. Various gemstone, yeah. So there's a mixture. I see amethyst. There is a mixture of some jasper. And then they put, I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know if, It looks like it was made that way. Each bead is tied in between. Ooh, look at that, amethyst. Very, very nice. That's a lovely necklace. Okay. Oh, we have a heart. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. That's very nice. In good condition. Very pretty. I'm just going to pull from, we have pendants. And here's another hematite. Now, I think of all the three that I've shown, this is my favorite. Look at this. See, I like the colored beads or stones with hematite. This has a magnetic, closure. This is nice. I would wear that one. I like it. And what do we have here? This is loft. Wow. Look at that. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. There is the large spring ring clasp. Good condition. That is nice. And let's see here. What is this? JETT. Jett, yeah. I will have to look this one up. It feels like wood, but it isn't. I have to look this one up. It's kind of cool. Kind of crude, but cool. I love the chain. Wow, that is different. Gotta see what's in this one. This green tape is very strong, let me tell you. Oh, I see some 925. My wonderful seller marks everything, and I love it, love it, love it. Okay, this is Gemstone 925 pendant, and 925 beads and spacers. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is ice cold. This is all 925 and mother of pearl bracelet. Look at that. And this is all 925. And yeah, this is the logo for breast cancer. Those are really nice. I like those. Okay, oh, a boot. I'm partial to Western things. I did live on a ranch for many years. I have to make another Western journal. I made one a long time ago and sold it. But I've been saving pieces similar to this for the journal. And I also have some authentic horse pictures from family that I can use. So, and this is cool. I think this is Anne Klein. They're very pretty. I don't think they're genuine pearls, but no, they're not. But I would wear this. I don't have to have genuine pieces. If I like the appearance of a piece of jewelry, I don't care if it's $5 or $100. It, or more. It's just on the color, the texture, just the beauty of it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now this is different. It is Lea Sathia. The gold tone on it is just beautiful. Look at that piece. Wow. There is some outstanding items in this lot. And we have shell. If you like the beach, this is Plunder. Look at this. I also made a beach journal and sold it. Somebody ordered it. It was going to be a gift for someone. And I did actually put shells in it too. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Pretty, pretty. Animal print. I would wear this with an animal print top. I like animal print. Look at how pretty that is. That is nice. It's in good condition. Very, very nice. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my. Oh my. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, guys. You know, for the right person, somebody would love this. It's nice. It's made nice. First of all, I'm short. And, yeah. There is a spot here. I will put this in a craft bag. And I think this would be fantastic for jewelry art. Yeah. Yeah, I would use these here for jewelry art because I do a 3D technique. I put something flat on the bottom and then I put something like more attractive and sparkly on top, and it kind of gives that 3D effect, and I like it. I think it looks better. So that would be good for that. Ooh, this is a chunky one. Chunky monkey. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. And it has an M on it. That is nice. Nice, nice. So we have some pearls. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. They're faux, but I would say they're glass pearls. This is what makes this necklace. That is very nice. Beautiful condition. Lobster clasp. And let's see here. I'm digging because I know I'm not going to show everything, but I want to show as much as possible. Oh, this is nice. This is a brand 1946. In good condition. Very nice. Has some wood and glass. These are wood right here. That's very nice. That's nice. And we have this statement piece. I think I've had this one before. These also lay really flat on your neck. Nastasia is this brand. Very nice. That's a good one. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is pretty. This is Express. Black metal. You got your black metal and you got your beautiful bling. There's two strands of bling. It's in excellent condition. That's nice. That is a nice piece. Let's see here. Ooh, gotta show this cross. You know I love crosses. This is nice. And has a magnetic closure. I like that. I do put magnetic closures on most of my pendants. That's nice. I like that one. They're fast and easy, and I'm always in a hurry. Let's see, what do we got here? This is different. Look at this heart. That's pretty cool. That is nice. It's in excellent condition. And let's see, do I see some stone down here? Yep. Gemstone. Oh, look at this. Beautiful piece. This is nice. And when it's this length, say you don't like a really long one, there's enough here that you could make a bracelet. And again, I don't have to put that up to my face. It is cold. Beautiful gemstone. Okay. What is this? Magnesite. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. And I love this type of chain. I have one, not like this, but the chain I do. That is nice. Nice, nice. Okay, let's show a bracelet too. Oh, and these here. This is Victoria Emerson. Mint condition. Faceted crystals. Looks brand new. I doubt if anyone wore it. And this one is Victoria Emerson. They're both Victoria Emerson. So wrap bracelets, if you like wrap bracelets. And look at this one. Look at that closure. Insert clasp and the safety. Yeah, this is nice. No, it's not the safety. That's how you open this. Okay. Now if I can get it open. Okay. I will work on it. I don't want to break it. It's beautiful. Oh, I see. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. It's a little bit, I can get it on without opening the clasp. So it's a little big for me, but it is gorgeous. Look at it. Love it. And let's see here. What is... Ooh. This is the limited. Look at this one. That's a lot of chain and a lot of pearls. There, glass pearls. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3 strands of pearls, and the other is chain. And the way they're connected, if you don't want all this, you just say you want pearls the 3 strands in one chain, it would be easy to fix. In fact, you could just do one if you wanted. And it is the limited. There's a lot of possibilities with that one. I like it. Lots of possibilities. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, this is pretty. This is Liz Claiborne. Again, this one here is be good for a turtleneck sweater, high neck, top. Very long. Looks brand new. Beautiful piece. That is nice. Let's dig into this one too. I still have tons here. Oh. Okay, let's dig into here. See what we have. Wow. Okay. What is this? This is Strawberry Quartz. It's kind of neat. I would put it on a chain, a really delicate chain. I think it would be prettier, but I like it. And what's this? Oh, this is cool. This is Jasper. And look at how they wire wrap this piece. Look at that. There's the back. It's one thing I never got into was wire wrapping. I've seen some beautiful pieces. I like the wire they used on it. That's nice. That is a nice one. What do we have here? Oh, this is pretty. Looks like someone praying, a young girl. I don't think it's Mary. That is a beautiful piece. There is the back. That's lovely. I like that. I think this is another wire wrapped one. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Nice chain. That's lovely. Like I said, I have never been disappointed with these orders, the things I've purchased. Oh, this is pretty. It reminds me of Victorian. I always thought it might be cool to be born in the Victorian era. I guess if you were wealthy in those times. I like watching those movies of Victorian times. The way they dress and the jewelry. You see a lot of statement necklaces. Oh, we got a bow necklace, but I can't get it out of the paper. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this piece. That is so nice. This is Icing is the brand. There are no missing crystals. Really a nice piece. And what is this? Caribbean Charm Collection. Let's take it out. It's never, I don't think it's ever been out of the packet. I've seen these before. It is a bracelet. Yeah, I've seen these before. It says collect a different charm from each port of call that has a Diamond International store. I'll have to look that up. Okay, let's see. A few more. Said I still haven't made a big dent in the bags. This is Romans. Oh, this is beautiful. Probably not peridot, but it's sure pretty. That is nice. I like that. I like it. Okay. Oh, I got. Oh, this butterfly is different. Received a few different butterflies. A couple times they were alike, but this one's completely different. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I like that. Also, butterflies are great in jewelry art. And we have a Ogami owl. This is cool. Trying to see what's inside. I think it might be a bird, a star, an airplane. It's in great condition. Okay, I'll show a few more and then, oh, we have another hematite. Ooh, this is pretty. This has a fish. Oh my. I love this. That's cool. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's see here. That one. We have some more gemstone. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. So pretty. I love that there's so much gemstone in this lot. Okay, this is Howlite and Tiger's Eye. This is made nice. Very nice. Nice piece. In an excellent condition. Okay. I don't know where that come from. Okay. Now, I'll show, let's see what time. I'll show two more. And then I'm going to pick out my favorites. This is Chico's. This is cool. Oh, I guess that goes in front. Okay. Another long one. You have to be taller than I am. Okay, let me pick out two more. That one. And let's show the agate one. Oh, and the M. Okay, three more. Oh, I keep finding some beautiful pieces. Oh, I like this. Look at the amethyst in this piece. Hopefully you could see with my lighting. It looks darker than it on my screen. It looks darker than it really is. That's beautiful. And let's see what this one is. And then I will attempt to pick out my favorites. Oh, this is nice. All southwestern look. And now that the internet's back on, I can upload this. You know, we get so spoiled with our internet, and when it goes off, it's like you can't do anything. This is wire wrap too, and this is beautiful. This is agate. Oh my. Look at this piece. This is gorgeous. I would wear this. I never used to be a stone person. I liked, you know, just sparkly things. But this agate's gorgeous. Look at the back. They did a beautiful job wire wrapping this piece. Okay, let me attempt here. Let's just start with the agate. This bracelet. This bracelet. Also this one. This here. Love this gemstone one. I actually love this too. I would make this one over because it's so heavy and, but it's beautiful. Love this. Let's see. Love this one, hematite. Also love this stone. The butterfly, this piece here. Okay, let's see. Oh, the amethyst. I've been getting a lot of amethyst and I do like it. Let's see here. This is a nice piece too. Why did we get tangled though? No. Well, it got tangled. Oh, there we go. That one there. And let's see if I missed anything I put over here. Like this wire wrapped one. This butterfly. And I guess I better quit because I like all of them. Oh, we got to add this one. Also love that one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This was a fantastic lot. I still have a lot left. I'll show you. And there's even more in the other bag, but it would make this video way too long. Remember, if there's something that you would like, send me a screenshot because I do not have the time to watch my replays. And if you can't do a screenshot, please send me a complete description with color, texture, you know, so I know which one you mean. Because like again, I can't go back and watch the replay. So, and let's see, Friday on my channel, me and Dee, and I got to put the thumbnail up, and then Saturday on my solo. And thank you everyone for supporting my channel. Bye everyone.